A scientist tried to accelerate animal evolution by placing a small turtle in an experiment chamber. As the evolution serum flowed through the tubes, the turtle rapidly grew larger and gradually developed human features. Everyone was excited by the result, except the raccoon, who looked worried. But just when they thought the experiment had succeeded, the turtle suddenly turned violent and showed clear genetic defects. For a perfection-obsessed scientist, this was a devastating failure. Without hesitation, he ordered the specimen destroyed immediately. At that moment, the raccoon noticed the real issue and quickly reported it to its master. It turned out that during evolution, the turtle's violent genes had not been fully filtered out. The scientist modified the equipment based on the raccoon's idea. After many attempts, they achieved a major breakthrough. Even the scientist could not understand why the modified raccoon had such sharp perception. Thanks to its guidance, the evolved creatures became gentle in personality as well. This gave the scientist confidence to build his ideal utopian world. When the raccoon heard it could finally go to the new world, it became excited. But suddenly, the scientist revealed a mocking smile. An experimental creation like the raccoon had no right to enter that world.
But that brain, that I'd like to study further.
Prep it for surgery and removal in the morning.
Realizing the danger, the raccoon began gathering parts in its cell and built an access card. Before the next day, it planned to escape with its companions. Full of hope, it opened the cell doors and freed the animals beside it. But before they could celebrate, Jack appeared with a gun, forcing the raccoon back to its cage. After seeing a companion killed, the raccoon broke down and attacked Jack in rage. Its friends shouted for it to escape, but it kept fighting until armed guards arrived. It seized a weapon and wiped out the guards. When the gunfire ended, it realized all its companions were dead. Holding back grief, it ran through the flames, boarded the spaceship, entered the cockpit, started the engine, and escaped into space. Years later, it returned to the sorrowful place and found the experiments never stopped. Countless creatures were still imprisoned, picked up an access card, opened the cages, and freed the frightened animals. But its former master appeared again, trying to drag it back. Yet, after everything it had survived, it was no longer alone, and the man would finally pay the price for everything he had done.